Welcome to Papa Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is package day. I have a package here from the Queen's Country, England, the UK. Now this package is my winnings from Roy Sammons 300 milestones. So go check him out. I will leave a link in the description below. Probably well past 300 by now, so let's get into it. Give us some room. Here we go. Pack this well. This one didn't get held up by biosecurity. Packaged really well. Quad layers of protection here. Very, very nice for this. Nice note. Haha. Very big congratulations on winning my 300 giveaway. I managed to squeeze in a few more foils. Oh, cool, thank you. All the best for the new year, Roy. Thank you very much. That'll go up in my Lock Sport and Notes pile. Okay, so what this was about was Dimple Lock. So first of all, it's got this endoscope. Have a look inside locks. Very, very nice. Thank you. And some shims. Oh, cool. Got the protection on. I've never had shims. In all 2 years I've been doing Lock Sport, never had shims. Thank you very much. Oh, cool. Pins and things. Circlips, springs. Oh, they're the anti-bump springs. And look at that. Got some security pins. Look how long those driver pins are. Wow. You can make challenge locks out of those. Challenge lock pins. Wow. Thank you very much for chucking that in. Much appreciated. And Dimple Lock. It's my second only Dimple Lock, and a proper one with a key. Wow, smooth as, look at that. Thank you very much for chucking that in. That's very nice. And then this, check this out. This is to impression dimple locks. This is a little piece of kit you get. So that's your, like your key blank. Pokey tool, very nice. These are the foils. Oh yes, there's the holder. Push it in. It's quite weighty. And then that's another thing. I'm going to have to look up how to do this. Wow. Thank you very much. It was a great giveaway. took me a month to work up how I was going to do it. So thanks for putting in so much, allowing so much time for the entries. And had to do an impersonation of 5 Lock's borders. Wow, look at these little things. Very cool. I'll have to look up. I know someone's done a video on this, so I will check it out to see how these are used. They're very delicate, very delicate. Well, thank you very much for that. That is so cool. There we go. A Dimple Lock impressioning kit with some bonus springs. And this, so I can look down the Dimple Lock, see what's going on. Thank you very much, Roy. Check out Roy on YouTube. All the links will be in the description below. Leave your comments. Let him know how cool this is for his 300. Push him up to 400 plus. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.